So yes, it's snowing again. It's like the third time today it's snowed. 10th April 2021. Shooting this in 8K just to test it out. With my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So we'll do that. And we'll get Jen to upload it to YouTube. And for anything on an 8K screen, you can tell us how it compares to other 8K stuff you've looked at. If it's any good or if it's crap or what?
Who's got an 8K screen?
I don't know, somebody who watches you might have an 8K screen.
Maybe.
So if you have an 8K screen you're watching this, comment. Tell us does it look any good versus your other 8K media. And I'll shoot another video with 4K 60 frames a second. This is 8K 24 frames a second.